Again, welcome back to the session of identities. The next identity is a plus b plus c whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab bc plus ca. Now, I have prepared a questionnaire along with its solution based on the identities. Coming to the first question, use direct method to evaluate the following products. X plus 8 into x plus 3. Here we use x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b times x plus ab. So x plus 8 into x plus 3 is equals to x square plus in bracket 8 plus 3 times x plus 8 into 3, which is equals to x square plus 11x plus 24. This will be your answer. Coming to the next question, y plus 5 into y minus 3. Using identity, x plus a into x minus b is equals to x square plus a minus b times x minus ab. So, y plus 5 into y minus 3 is equals to y square plus in bracket 5 minus 3 times y minus 5 into 3, which is equals to y square plus 2y plus 15. Isn't it easy, students, to do? Another question, that is to find 2a plus b whole square. Children, you can see 2a plus b is a binomial. You have to find its square. So we will use the identity a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This you have already learned. So 2a plus b whole square is equals to 2a whole square plus b square plus 2 times 2a into b, which is equals to 4a square plus b square plus 4ab. Next question, a plus 1 upon 2a whole square. Using identity again, because we have binomial with addition sign in between, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So the expansion of a plus 1 by 2a is equals to a square plus 1 by 2a whole square plus 2 into a into 1 by 2a. Your answer will be a square plus 1 by 4a square plus 1. Next question is a minus b 2b, which is a binomial with minus sign and its whole square. So we use the identity a minus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So the expansion of a minus 2b whole square is equals to a square plus 2b whole square minus 2 into a into 2b. This gives you a square plus 4b square minus 4ab. Another question, again of binomial with a minus sign in between, 2x minus 1 by 2x whole square. Again you will make use of the same identity, a minus b whole square. equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So expansion of 2x minus 1 over 2x whole square is equals to 2x whole square plus 1 upon 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 1 by 2x, which is equals to 4x square plus 1 by 4x square minus 2. Now coming to another identity, a plus b into a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. You have to simplify 2 plus a into 2 minus a. Use the same identity. So it will be equals to 2 square minus a square. That is equals to 4 minus a square. Coming to another question, ab plus x square into ab minus x square. Same question, same identity. The difference is only in terms. Here we have ab and x square. So again we make use of the identity. A plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So this question can be solved as ab plus x square into ab minus x square is equals to ab whole square minus x square whole square. It is equals to a square b square minus x to the power 4. Now little different type of question I have taken up. 102 into 102 minus 98 into 98 upon whole upon 200. Children, here you have to look carefully in the question that 102 into 102 can be written as 102 square. 98 into 98 can be written as 98 square minus sign in between whole upon 200. So in the numerator where you have written 102 square minus 98 square, you can make use of the identity a square minus b square, where your a will be 102 and b will be 98. So it will be 102 plus 98 in another bracket 102 minus 98 whole upon 200. So it will be equals to 200 into 4 upon 200. 200 will be cancelled out. Answer is only 4. Now coming to another type of question where you are given a trinomial, you have to find its value where the values of a and b are given as 4 and 5, but the main thing is that you have to use identity. It means you have to convert this trinomial 4a square plus 9b square plus 12b is equals to 4a square can be written as 2a whole square plus 9b square can be written as 3b whole square and 12ab as it is. So children, it will turn to 2a plus 3b whole square. Now you can put a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 5. So 2a plus 3b whole square is equals to, in bracket, 2 into 4, because we are putting the value of a as well as of b, plus 3 into 5 whole square. 8 plus 15 whole square, that is 23 whole square, is equals to 529. The speciality of this question is that you have to convert a trinomial as the square of a binomial. Now coming to the last question of this session, if x plus 1 over x is equals to 4, you have to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square and x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Children, we begin with x plus 1 by x is equals to 4. Squaring both the sides, x plus 1 by x whole square is equals to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. Now, when you simplify this expansion, it will be x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. And the value of x plus 1 by x is given as 4. So we transpose this 2 to another side. So you will get x square plus 1 by x square is equals to 4 square minus 2, that is 16 minus 2, which is equals to 14. Children, now you have obtained x square plus 1 by x square as 14. Again the same working, squaring both the sides. You will get x square plus 1 by x square whole square is equals to x square whole square plus 1 by x square whole square plus 2, which is equals to x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2. Children, you have the value of x square plus 1 by x square, that is 14. So I have written there 14 square is equals to x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2. Now you can easily simplify that x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equals to square root of 14 is, children, 196 minus 2, that is 194. Children, from my side, I have tried my best to solve your queries. If you like, then kindly share, like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. And if you have any query, please write it in comment box. Thank you and have a wonderful time ahead.